So welcome back to another video. We are on our question number 12 of Striver CP sheet. So let's start solving it. Question name is nearly lucky number. So let's see what is a nearly lucky number. Patia loves lucky number. Okay, we all know that lucky numbers are the positive integers. Well, we don't, but still lucky numbers are the positive integers whose decimal representations contain only the lucky digits 4 and 7. तो पेटिया को lucky number पसंद है and lucky numbers वो होते हैं जिसके अंदर 4 और 7 digits होते हैं. Okay. And the number 47, 744, 4 are lucky, but 5, 17 and 467 are not. So ये number lucky है and ये number lucky नहीं है. ठीक है. Unfortunately, not all numbers are lucky. सारे numbers lucky नहीं होते. Patia calls a number nearly lucky if the number of lucky digits in it is a lucky number. तो Patia किसी number को nearly lucky तब कहती है जब उसके अंदर जो lucky digits हैं वो भी एक lucky number में हो. So count of those digits should be in a lucky manner. And he wonders whether the number n is nearly lucky number. और फिर उसको पता चल जाता है कि n nearly lucky number है या नहीं है. तो इनपुट दिया हुआ है हमें एक n and that n would be our number which is of 10 raised to the power 18. So that suggests कि हमें कोई string ले लेनी चाहिए. And let's check it out. The 40047 इसमें कितने lucky numbers हैं? Lucky digits हैं 4, 7 and 4. तो 3 है. So 3 is not a lucky number. So that's why no. इसके अंदर चेक करते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 count है and 7 is a lucky number. So yes. इसके अंदर चेक करते हैं 0 तो है नहीं और 1 भी नहीं है. तो 0 count है 0 is not a lucky number. So that's like quite easy problem. So let's start coding it. And this one's from our last video. Go check it out if you haven't. Let's start coding it. So first we need to take a number, right? Take input of that number and now we just need to calculate the count, right? So take a variable of count, traverse on the string, if it is equal to 4 or c is equal to 7, just increase the count, right? 4 है या 7 है तो that way it is a lucky digit. Check. So if count become 4 or count become 7, that is way it is a lucky number. So we need to print yes. Yes capital में print करना है या no में? Let me just okay. So all in caps. Yes. Else we are gonna print no. That's quite easy problem. Let's try running it. Input ले लेते हैं कोई एक. On the runtime, S was not never declared. Oops, my bad. And so 474747 and count these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. अरे so it is a no. कोई एक और चेक करते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7. So why it is printing not? Okay, one more mistake, not double equals, so sorry, my bad. And दो चार दो छः and 7. Yes, so makes sense. Let me just save the code once. So this is our 12th problem. We are already on our 12th question. Let's try submitting it. So yeah, submitted. Boom. So yeah, that's it for today's videos, guys. See you in the next one.